Good morning, people. Just here with my mate going on a nice Sunday morning ride. It's got the beautiful Duke 890R right here. Got the Arrow system on there. It's got a full system, full titanium exhaust. And of course, we got the beautiful Candy Girl. So, going for a bit of a chill ride up to the mountains with me mate. Stick around for the ride, guys. Enjoy. Be back shortly. So guys, welcome back. Just going for a cruise with my mate here. But I'm really not feeling the bike today. Rained a fair bit last night. So just a bit wary of debris on the road. Just trying to get a feel for the bike. The back tyre's a bit, how you going, you know. So yeah, not trying to push too much. There we go. Now, this is his road, he reckons. His playground, he knows this road very well. It's probably my third time on this road, so yeah, a bit iffy still about it. And when I see patches on the road like that, I get a bit scared, not gonna lie. I tell you what, guys, that little Duke, the 890, is for carving up the mountains. Stay there, buddy. He's gone. It's feeling a bit soft today, the suspension, and I think, I'm pretty sure that it's due to me running the back tyre a couple of times now on the track with very low pressures, and now back on the road with high pressure or higher pressure. Yeah, it just feels a bit, you know, how you doing kind of thing, a bit squirmy. It doesn't feel like it should be right there where it's supposed to be. And I've learnt this from the last one I changed. when the tyre came off, it was pretty much you grabbed it and it was just so soft, you know. It was like a marshmallow, pretty much. So yeah. Anyway, just cruising around, enjoying the ride today mainly. Get out, clear the mind, had a busy week. That's what it's all about. Right, so as you can see, it's quite damp now here on the road. As you can see. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll be back with a bit more content in a bit. We're back, people. We've decided that it's a bit too wet today, and we're just going to go here close by, have a coffee. My mate's trying my bike out for the first time. And I'm trying the Duke out, guys. I mean, I have ridden it before, his bike. Oh my God, so different. I don't really give my bike out, guys. He's just trying it out. The roads are a bit wet. But we'll just go travel back here close by. The little Duke. Oh yeah. But his rear sets, they're quite high because he's a short kind of guy. They're a bit too high for me, for my liking. Yeah, it's a bit iffy today, so we've decided to just stay here close by and just go for a quick coffee here. There's a coffee shop just we passed it on the way up. Yeah, he's changed his suspension on here recently, more to his weight, and the bike feels more softer now. So just having a bit of a run through to see how the bike feels. He's very torquey from down low, the good old KTM. And it's got the Michelin, I think it's a pair of Cup 2s on here at the moment. Trying to leave the bike over. Oh, that's just be a bit wary of the back tyre, buddy, when it's wet. And here we are at the coffee shop. And we're here, guys. So yeah, thanks for the short little ride that you came along with us today. And yeah, not the best of day for a ride. And we'll be back with some more content. We've got me mate here on his 890 Duke R. Good old candy girl. And we shall be back soon, guys. Peace out.